You heard it here. 10,000 likes. He shits in the bucket.
Fuck. Piece of shit. Alright. Uh-oh. That's not good. Power valve. Strip bolts. Probably get this one out.
Well, let's check to see if we have coolant. We have coolant. That's good. Good sign. Not much, but we got some.
Full time? Yeah, it's on the bolts. Okay. Oh, I hate messages.
So the issue is this gear is like frozen on the shaft. It's supposed to have free play. It's an idling gear. So that the kicker kicks that, and it kicks the basket, which kicks this, and then it turns the bike over. So this thing being frozen from the guy running no oil, you know, made it not go into neutral.